Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Mercedes-Benz E300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats, premium 2 package with blind spot assist, warmth and comfort package, rapid heated seats, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, adaptive high beam assist, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 27,515 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.